Welcome back to the Young Author channel. Today we are going to learn how to create Payoneer account with our phone. So those of us who have published our book on Amazon so that we can get paid when somebody purchases our book. Amazon don't pay through any means, or Amazon don't pay you through your local bank account. Amazon pay or send your money to Payoneer and Payoneer pay you. That is the reason why you will need this account. If today happens to be your first time, kindly subscribe to my channel and let's get started. To get started, there is a link in the description where you can use. If you use that link, it will bring you here and you sign up and earn $50. This $50 you can earn from creating the Payoneer account. You can actually withdraw, but mind you, in Payoneer account or in Payoneer operation, the minimum amount you can withdraw is $20 and the maximum amount you can withdraw is $3,000. So you can actually withdraw this amount after creating the Payoneer account. So now type on the you have to type on the sign up and earn bonus. Tap on this one, and then when you tap on it, then you go tap on it. Okay, so we are in now. Now there are 4 steps in this. There's 4 steps involved in creating Payoneer account or in signing up Payoneer account. So the first step is what we are seeing now on our interface on our screen. So the first step says that is your business registered with any government business license or tax authority. So you may choose you may choose no, but as for me, my book's business, I have registered. I have a certificate for my book business. So when I was creating I chose yes. So I went in, or I opted for the option 2. But for the sake of those out there who have not yet received certificate of operation for their book business or book writing, you may choose option 1. You choose no, my business is not registered. So let it be like that. Maintain it like that. Don't change anything there. Now the next thing is first name. Okay, please fill in the field in an English characters only. So I have already created Payoneer account, so I'm just walking you through this. Okay, so first name, you type your first name, so Thomas, and then your last name, Anan. Okay, then email, let me choose email, worthy prophet, and then let me choose re-enter email, worthy prophet. Date of birth, let me choose any date of birth. Okay, let me choose any date of birth. Let me go in for 2002, September 17th. Okay, so now you go to next. When we are done, click on next. Okay, all right, now here you are going to, we are in step 2 out of step 4. The country is already set to Ghana. Don't change it. If we're in Ghana, don't change it. So we are creating this channel for Ghana, or we are seeing how to create it for Ghana. So write street number. So Mr. Hanson Road. Mr. Hanson Road. Okay, Accra. All right, so more address details optional. Okay, let me see. Behind the office. Okay, and then city Accra. Then postal stroke zip code. So postal and zip code, here you are going to type in Ghana code. Okay, now Ghana code is not +233 only when it comes to zip code or postal code. Anytime you are filling a form and you see postal or /zip code, you must first of all start with 2 zeros. Okay, two zeros, and then you add a 233. You don't start plus 233. Then you add your number here. Okay, you add your number here. So 50909611. Okay, 20 11 964. All right, so now they said this field is required, so it's on Ghana already. Then after you are done, when you are done inserting your mobile number, please mind you, whenever you are inserting a mobile number on any form online and you see plus 233, you don't start with 0 again. When you are typing the number, you must start from the number right after the 0. So if it is 050, you must start from 50. You don't bring the 0 again. So now you click on, or you tap on send code. You tap on send code. So the code is going to be sent. Okay, it's going to be sent to the number I provided. So that you see the code is in. I'll just copy that and then paste it here. So then we go to next. Okay, so we are in step 3 out of step 4. They said re-enter password. So let me copy the same password here. Okay, so you can go to manage password. You look for the number password there. Okay, so the password there, you see, they actually provide you a password. Okay, they provide you a password, and the password they will provide you, I think, is your number. So you can actually decide to change it, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I want to remain it. Okay, I want to maintain it just like that. So if you can see, they used my number for the password. I can actually change it to any password I want. So the next thing is security question. So choose a question if in case you forget your password, you can alternatively use it and get access to your account. Listen, Payoneer account is something serious you must not joke with, because when somebody purchases your book on Amazon, the money comes to Payoneer account for them to pay you to your local bank account. And in another video, I will teach you how to merge your Payoneer account with your local bank account. So you choose one. What was your major during college? The first one, what was the last name of your favorite college professor? And then what was the last name of your first grade teacher? When is your older sibling's birthday? Which was the first foreign country you visited? Let me choose that one. You must choose a very simple security question. So USA. Okay, you choose a very simple security question so that when you forget your password, you will easily remember it. Okay, so you are going to need these items for you to finish setting up your Payoneer account. You are going to need your Ghana card and then Ghana card number. So what you are going to do is that you type here and you choose what? National ID, and then you type in the ID number. So as I said, I've already used this ID number to create my own. So let me just give a try and see if this will work out. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't mean that it will not work out for you first timer. It will work out for you. Okay, Gene HA slash 720. Okay, so when you fill in your card number, your ID number. Okay, so this is how you are going to fill in the card ID card number. When you are filling the ID card number, don't bring that dash in the middle, whether dash or whatever, that sign, that symbol in the middle. You just type Gene HA and I leave a space and continue with the number. Don't type the numbers together, okay? Don't bring any symbol or sign, whatever, as you see it on the Ghana card. Don't bring that one. Then you go to continue. Okay, you can actually choose to read why your why they were requesting for your ID card number. There was an option there why they were requesting, so you can choose to what, read through. Okay, so now what the next page, which is the last page we have here, is personal account, business account. Almost done. They said please add a bank account for withdrawal that belongs to you or your company. So this is individual. So bank country is Ghana, currency is Ghana, and then bank name, you have to create a bank name. So the bank name, you choose the bank name. So we are choosing, let me choose GCB, Ghana Commercial Bank. That's where I save my money. So account holder name, please make sure the name on Ghana card is the same name that can appear on your what, bank statement and all that. The name that will reflect on your Ghana card, or the name that is on your Ghana card, should be the same name you use to create your bank account. There shouldn't be any difference. So bank number, you fill in your bank number here. So okay, so now the short code, okay, the short code here, local bank code, 6-digit number. The short code here varies. Every bank and its branches has their short code. You can see this short code on your checkbook, on your bank statement, or you can go online and check for that. Is that all right? So let me quickly go to Google and search for GCB short code. Let me go to Google and search for GCB short code. GCB short code. GCB UCC branch short code. You see, I added GCB UCC branch short code, right? So that is where I save my money. So when you are searching, make sure you type in the branch, okay? Type in the branch. Okay, so bank short code we have here. Where is it? Okay, so this is where you can see it. So it's okay, so 04003. Then we go back 04003. So 04003. The zeros are 3. Okay, so now when you are done like this, when you finish, that is not all. You have to come here, and there's a saying that I agree to the terms and condition and privacy and cookies policy. So before you can submit it, you must first of all tick those place. You have to tick this place and this place. You have to tick it. please, if you have time, if you have time in doing this, make sure you read the terms and condition before you can what tap in there or tick that box there. It may not favor you, but then you have to read it. Okay, so you tick here, then you tick here, then you press on submit. Okay, so now they said congratulations, your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. Want a Payoneer card? Learn how to order one. So this one, if you want a Payoneer account, you have to learn how to order it. And when you tap on learn how to order one, you will be able to order it. You are now in step 2 of the application process. So application stroke completed. Your application has been successfully submitted. Number 2, review in progress. You will receive an email confirmation within the next several business days. Okay, once your application has been reviewed. And then 2, receive payment. Once your application is approved, you will receive an email confirmation and can begin receiving payment to your account. So what we have just done is how we have been able to create the account. So this one, the information I provided here, all are correct. Okay, so even when they submit and when they review and everything is authentic, I'm gonna receive that $50. Okay, so this is how you can also do yours. Now after you received your confirmation, you can go on to the next one, how to merge this account with your local bank account. So I think I'm gonna do a video on that for you to see how it can be done. It is very simple. Okay, you can go to my account here. Okay, so when you log in, you go to my account. Okay, so when you go to my account, you can now log in. So now you are not going to sign up again. You can now log in with the information you provided. Okay, so here the thing I used, so the email I used was Wealthy Prophet. The password, of which I'm not going to tell you. So the password can be changed any time. Okay, I think the password was the number they provided. The password was the number, my telephone number. So therefore I can sign in now. I can choose to change the password anytime that I want. Okay, I can choose to change the password anytime I want. Okay, so now as you can see, 2-step verification. So now if you want to advance the security settings on your Payoneer account, you can now turn on the security verification. So you go to turn on security verification, and then you can enter the verification code you want. All right, thank you so much for watching, taking your time to watch this tutorial. God bless you so much. I would encourage you to subscribe to my channel, and there are more on the way coming regards to book writing. The next video you are going to see on this channel is how to publish your book on Amazon or using KDP publishing. Okay, using Candid Direct Publishing, how to release your book there. I'm gonna take you through how to release your book through KDP and then to reflect in Amazon. God bless you. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe